Okay. Welcome everyone. My name is Julien. I'm going to demo you and present you the new application called SMS Marketing. So in Odoo, we built this new application. I'm going to tell you why. Let's get into the program. So first of all, why did we spend so much time in developing a new application? Developing an application to send SMSs in mass. The feature was already present in Odoo, but we developed the application. We developed a new application. I'm going to tell you why it's so important for some businesses to send SMSs, and what are all of the connections with all the other applications we have in Odoo. Secondly, I'm going to show you the new application, and we're going to go through use cases and the extension with the other applications. And finally, we're going to go through frequently asked questions and your questions, of course. Let's get into the SMS benefits. So SMSs have a 98% open rate compared to only 20% for the emails. That's a huge difference. Actually, it's such an underrated channel of communication, especially for businesses. Usually companies send emails. Problem is, with an email, you need to format it. It takes a lot of time to do it. SMSs have a powerful impact on your customers. Second advantage is that 90% of SMSs are read within 3 minutes. It's fast, very fast. Actually, I have some statistics for you. In this room, only 74% of you, 74% of you have 0 unread SMSs. And for emails, it drops down to 17%. We all have unread emails. We don't have unread SMSs. That's the huge difference we have. So we read all of them. You don't need 4G to receive them. Actually, that's an important part in some countries where the connection is not widely spread. It's concise and it feels more personal. In my opinion, for businesses, it's underrated and underused. You can distinguish yourself by sending SMSs. When you receive an SMS, it feels more personal than an official email saying hey, you have a 10% discount on this product. SMSs are more impactful. Let's get now into the application that was designed by Odoo, how it was designed, and how to use it. So you'll see that we can create easily contact lists. We can create SMS templates using dynamic fields. Let's say the company, the name of the company of the person you're sending the SMS to. You can filter on contacts and on other models as well. You can schedule your campaigns in order to send the SMSs whenever you want, and you can use emojis as well. Nice feature. Well, I'm just going to demo you. So here, I'm in the application. So here you have the new application called SMS Marketing. If you click on it, so you basically have a Kanban view with the campaigns you have. So you can create a new campaign. You just write down the name. I'm just going to send easy one, hello. You can define who's going to be the recipient. So you can build a mailing list if you feel that this is more impactful. But you can also, let's say, go through the contacts. And here you have options to filter on your contacts. So here I want to bother my dear colleagues that I already bothered with my test. And I'm going to filter on names, and I'm going to say contains Odoo. If I click, Odoo computes, and as you can see here, you have 15 records. If I click on it, I can see the list of the person I'm going to spam. You can write down here the content. Hello, this is me again. Okay. Here you have an option to an opt-out link. So if I tick this, in the SMS they will have a link, and if they click on it, they can decide not to receive any SMSs anymore. I'm just going to untick it, because I like to bother them. In the settings, you can also, here you have this box called Keep Archives, which means if I tick it, all the SMSs sent onto my contacts will be kept in the chatter. That's one very useful checkbox in order to keep track of everything that was sent to your contacts. And here you have the more marketing part. Let's say if you create some leads after your campaign that you send with SMSs. You can track the source, and you will know how much leads it generated, how much quotations, sale orders, and so on. So let's get it. Here you see that you can schedule your campaign. If you want to schedule, it's basic. You just have a date field, and you select the date you want to send it. Here, I want to send it now. I'm just going to click on Send Now, click on OK. And there we go. Oh, I didn't have any credits. So of course, the SMSs are IAP related. So basically, you need to buy credits to send SMSs. I'm going to talk about it later regarding the pricing, especially. So my campaign was sent. Well, maybe not all of them, due to 0 was sent due to insufficient credits. Okay, let's get back to the presentation. So the app is very simple. You just you have the name, you filter on the content, and here you can see that it's integrated with all the other applications. If you create a quotation from a campaign, you can just you have just the list here. So this is the SMS marketing application. Now we're going to go more into the extension it may have with some use cases. So SMSs are connected as well with the marketing automation campaign, and this is a new feature from the V13 that was not the case. So you have the application SMS marketing, but you can also create marketing campaigns with the application marketing automation, and I'm going to get through it right now. So 3 use cases, basic use cases. You can warn your most loyal customers about, let's say, that the shop will be exceptionally open on Sunday. You can start a campaign, Christmas sales campaign. Well, you know the flow with the marketing automation, but now you can do it with SMSs. You can also send event reminders. As Fabien demoed it to you, you can send an SMS warning your attendees of your event that they will they have the event coming. So I'm going to go through it. So this is the application. I demoed it to you first, and now into the marketing automation, I can create a campaign. So let's say shop open. I can also target on my contacts. The difference here is that the marketing automation allows you to create a list of automations of activities that will be sent and that can depend on each other. So I'm going to send a first SMS. Okay, here I have to create a template. Shop open. Hello, the shop. You can save it. And as you can see here, you have an activity that is created here, and you can create a new activity depending on the first one. So I'm going to send another SMS reminding my my clients that the shop will be open. So I remind you the shop will be open on Sunday. Okay? And here, you can say that it's going to trigger exactly 1 hour after my first SMS. Okay, I first need to save it. Okay, I need first to save that and edit again. Okay, so here you have my first SMS will be that will be sent, and the second one will be 1 hour after the first one. So you can create a succession of activities and by sending SMSs. You can also imagine that you want to send to your best customers a special promotion code and to send it in successive activities like this. So the idea would be here to filter on the contacts, filter on the tags, let's say gold customers. I'm going to do it quickly here. Tags contains gold. So I have 5 records here, my five best customers, and you can send the list of activities by SMS. Why by SMS? Because that way you just communicate directly with your clients, and they don't need to have their email open and so on. Okay, so it's a very fast way to communicate with your clients. You can, of course, from here, I sent it from the contact, based on my contacts, but you can extend it to any model. That means you want to base it on this, I'm just gonna create a new one. You can base it on any other model. Let's say sell order. You can target from there the orders that are, let's say, in the status quotation sent. You sent the quotation by email, but you didn't get any news from your client. So you can say quotation, okay, and I'm going to filter on my sell order which status is sent, but they didn't reply. So here you're going to send an SMS. I'm just not going to do it, but you can send an SMS saying, hey, please, could you revise the quotation? I'm not sure you saw the email and so on. Okay, so it's a very, very easy way to communicate with your client. So as I said, it is integrated with all applications. So you can think about anything. You can send SMSs to your clients that have tickets. You can link it with a rental application in order to remind all of your customers that rented anything that they need to get it back. You can filter on unpaid invoices. So it's integrated with all the models. I'm going to go more now onto the frequently asked questions. I know, obviously, the first question would be the pricing. So the first application we saw was, which was SMS Marketing. This one is completely free, although the marketing automation is €24. May I remind you that the first one is just you send SMSs, you schedule it. Second one, you can create a list of activities. You can, let's say, create first SMS, then sending an email, then another SMS. So you can create a list, a succession of activities. It's two different processes. The cost per SMS is between €0.2 and €0.13, and it depends on the length and the destination of SMS. One obvious question is, yes, you can build templates. You can build templates, and I'm going to show you. So actually, you have, so here, if you select the template, you can go and create one, but I'm going to show you in the database where this is located. If you go into the settings and technical, you have here SMS templates. What does it look like? Actually, it looks like an email template. Let's open one. And what is good is that you can use dynamic fields. That is very important. So you can send SMSs with dynamic field. Here you have a placeholder generator in order to create the code like this to compute the content you want to put in your SMS. You can add, as I said, emojis. I'm gonna just use that one, copy it, and there we go. I added an emoji in my template. If I say templates, of course, it means that you can manage the different languages. So you can adapt the language depending of your. Odoo will adapt depending on the language of the customer, and it will send the SMS either in English, in French, or in German, or anything. Okay. So costs depend on the length and destination. You need to buy credits in Odoo, and you can build any templates. Do you have any specific question? Other questions or? Yes?
You sent the SMS. What will be the number of the name displayed on the phone to the customer?
Okay. The number displayed is a generic number. It's a suite of numbers. I'm going to show it to you. I just need to check. But it's like we go through. We send the order to a partner of us who will send the SMS. So it's this generic number. You cannot configure it if that is the question.
What happens when the customer responds to the SMS?
Sorry?
If the customer responds,
Yeah. No, you cannot reply to this SMS. It will not be tracked by Odoo. Sorry? An SMS that I received, for instance? I can show it to you on my phone because I sent a lot of tests. You can also ask my colleagues in the front row, they received a lot, and they can show it to you. I will show you right after, okay? It's just an SMS. Yes? So basically here, what she's asking that can we send SMSs based on the, let's say, a customer that orders something, right? Actually, you can. Problem is on the e-commerce part. I don't think you set your mobile number at any moment, but so that would be the tricky point. But that's totally doable. If on the partner the mobile is set, you can create an automated action with Odoo Studio saying that I will send an SMS if just at the moment that a sale order from the website is created. So yeah, that would be doable for sure. Sorry, I cannot hear you. Yeah. That would be doable, yes, because Odoo tracks the cart that were abandoned. So you could filter on the marketing automation as I showed you, or send automatic, with Odoo Studio, create an automated action that send SMSs based, well, you filter on the sale order that have been abandoned or canceled and send an SMS. So yes, that would be doable, yeah. Is that all? Well, thank you for attending this talk, and I'm going to show you the SMS.